Omuba Nigel Gaisie. So a young body 37. A very dangerous thread. And bloggers the you have to change. Enra, let me tell you. Omuba Nigel Gaisie. So a young body 37. A very dangerous thread. And bloggers the you have to change. Enra, let me tell you. Menyonku Oponbio, Mr. Oponbio, and Okaso Obesrame. First of all, now Kwabena Santi Afrem say, Nigel Gaisie wants to see me and apologize. And I'm saying no. Oh dear, also sorry, I should go his way. Timam Penny. Then, me of a friend say, no, I MP crowd, me bonding.
Okay.
Mekai abondin. Ono so frɛ me. And I'm saying no. O de obi an kɔ bed. Ti Mr. Opona e tricky me. Me wa oso oba wan kan ye obeye.
Okay.
Ti na me hye single kra na me da kunwam sei. Enom se me mfa atade enhye. Ah, me wo frɛ ma money di enye fɛ. Obeye Minerals Commission chairman. I'm Monday and Yefe because on ye bibi ana.
Okay.
Omuba bifie. Now another soft penny so count.
Okay.
A new and something count. Don't buy. Don't buy the SK Buaf.
Okay.
Good. SK Buaf. And don't buy. They put me on a spot.
Okay.
Now I'm intimidated. And now also Omuba Nigel Gaisie. So a young body 37.
Oh, okay.
Abase obepacho near easy. And I'm seeing no problem. Let sleeping dogs lie, you know. I'm okay, but on one so and share na kwamuye. When him say omu free okwen within 2 hours. Now at the social media, obi ma commentary. Yani oho me Da Costa, Christy, George, Anna Kudus, Mr. Pombio, and you are so for Penny or so for SK Buaf, and a Nigel.
Okay.
So where from that voice? Wow. Why your voice over? As if say he was there. Ebi say, me call Nigel Gaisie, sorry, and I'm going. I didn't want pictures here, you know, a TV crowd watching. You see, that kind of distortion. Now, me catch them. Advice of the man who say he should not base his preaching on social media.
Okay.
Because distortion. So, on one free or koi. Me say, obi a your voice over. E kasa as if say or be granted.
No, more kasa.
Wow. And you may be a mommy a man for the technology in Yesika. Yani the technology had destroyed the fabric of society. Very dangerous. Maybe the man obesia for sign your mana this social media. I mean, me come and say we are I don't have time to go. This will be back now can't wait. And now yes. Shall we call oh sa Kuranoa. We didn't hobia, Ubenyasem, so baby wako party, Obi no sa. Memi do a obiani mi trap picture. So we didn't nim usuba ofia. And one nim one unkobi no hun senia in confo a pin trap picture. Oba benyasem. Cause social media bako pike. Oba baku. No dia betuo, be cancel.
Serious.
Now you have people. You see, time one, we spend it on social media. What they going to be who? Bet me more sika. If he said the better.
Especially so for us when I call you know, you made some pronouncements. You think say you be muka cry ebeboa. Na okay productive hours.
Yeah. They catch them and say. They catch a bishop Owusu answer say.
Yeah.
Oba bi by no shisha mu program. About in the evening 6:30 p.m. Say all the doors no because now wapon argument. Ekanyama mienu.
Okay.
Say, I disagree with the time 9 a.m. Tuesday to 11 a.m. That is the productive man hours.
Yeah.
Productive man hours simply means from 9 to 11 ukra na wo hodene. Utumi eye adwuma no eye sound mind. What that free fee akostati adwuma fresh mind. So call 11 12 no more lunch bemwa ukodidi anu aye door. That is the time you are saying that people should come to church. Church in sumu ya yesika. Ya kwa envelope mu chama yesa. Na wanko ye juma. Oberen when yesika diaba.
Very true.
That's the gospel too. I told him to his face.
Yeah.
So all the days now wash any time I don't have a problem. But 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I disagree. Yeah. And I told him.
Yeah.
So obetimi afa kwa bi so a change our time no a.
And also special advice to women.
Yeah. And the man me catch him say even the 6:30 p.m. 6 o'clock.
Numero
And you I have a problem. Before say we your bar, sorry, you should serve your husband first. Or say, and before say we free fear sorry, making sure that there is peace at home. Enti sa wo so for catch you and you come mekuo wo kuna duane kura wa anoa no sorry. You don't have peace at home. Nia wo kwaye no enya blessing.
Okay.
So a man who person sorry 6:30 dia make sure you satisfy your husband, your children before you go to church. And found to my mom enya wo kunu ni wo ma ho unattended and continue sorry them rebaba. It doesn't work. I told them to.
It doesn't work.
No. Because also for being who obetimi me come see coffee. So wa worry egu a obetimi abom pa ya mo worry eti.
Never.
No. Jesus Bema na ankasa finds a peace in his heart to forgive you.
Okay.
And yes, empire entimi change my dream. Because me jaw. Empire entimi change my dream. So a man also I advise them.
Yeah.
So who says 30 no wa kwa adwuma hwe traffic you to easily gone. Who point adwuma 4 o'clock. Yeah. Traffic ubetimi dimbe 2 hours. San wadru fie. Time ben na ubenya kwan ahwe. Even if you have a housemaid, you have to make sure say your housemaid has served the food that he wants to eat before you go. And yes, sir, ubana a problem one. Also, can save you.
On a mefa course, but success by comparison. What's number on the pain? Abrofo, nyame so many asoro connect thing.
Abrofo, sorry, majority.
Okay.
Sir, sorry, don't forget ebio.
Okay.
Ebio home crowd is serious.
Okay.
Weko mu timi shi nipa wo nyina say, ebio. But majority of a unity is so simple.
Okay.
What do you say? Who call Catholic Church? Yeah, Father, what in heaven, Allah be died him. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespass against us, and lead us not to temptation. You know, back when you recite here, young country, I will say, Umami na yo, Umia na yo, Uofa and yo. What sort of call, baby?
Yeah.
Other churches, the same. Yawa, between America, quite friends, right? That slim guy. Christine texts him and I mean, Kai. Or the two who share me preaching. What do you say? Emo we out in sika kakra kan de because we are and an babu ka watchro and have contribute this nyina and baby cash say Bishop Agyapong o preach we are say sa kole you know fundraising na ne nyonko owusu ansa epe no and what the fa kwan no ho preach but ni nyina so is in the Bible nti eboa so ntse ne bebua ansa me nyonko no me ka kire no o dress papa go taste angasa tim ka jense sika na ogigye no onhwe na wanfa nkoto expensive suit
sure
na wanyai asore no nanti wo wa sa dia ya mabie mutua ba ye hunzu ato asase no or no foundation we will continue to help
sure
because Bishop Agyapong na no the power obetimi ayam watua because me come na me see metua 20,000 ya metua 65,000 $10,000 because me started $10,000 na me yiri piame me say madam Bishop Agyapong na no the power obetimi ayam watua because me come na me see metua 20,000 ya metua 65,000 $10,000 because me started $10,000 na me yiri piame me say madam Bishop Kasaya convince me na mature 65,000 $10,000
I see
oh preachy come
okay.
So interesting the first time we share one no so no me share play but
okay.
ya nkasa hi where they he's a nice guy
okay
we invited me on the 4th of March
okay
the
next
birthday and no more me corner sorry
all right
me in fact na some George Edika invite him
okay
anka mankoshiano wa nka me surprise and say meko
okay
so
okay
enti we pa de nukreni enya ono na sorry ne ko Kingdom Life Ministry
okay
KLM
honorable Pastor Joel lost and now can I say na can I say na
Joe Austin Joe Austin Oprichipa so I show unkuran ti se ne Agyapong be ye hoyi